Alright, bro, we're doing peak. I'm on the swing set. Yes, sir. Oh, careful. You don't want to get hit. Look at that. Oh, dang. Alright, well, go have fun in the park. Don't hurt yourself. Alright, we're up here now. Multiple choice. You want to go down the steep quick slide, or you want to go down the sort of calmer slides? Yeah, these aren't car friendly. These are made for Z-cars. Oh, okay. Are you speaking with it? I know you speak dog. They're having a full-on argument. What do you say? Dogs can say things you can't. Oh, that's not good.